Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF to Google Sheets. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to any of the search engine and you're going to type in PDF to Excel. And then you're going to select any tool you want. I really like this one that is called ilovepdf because it is really easy to use. So simply click on this tool and you'll be redirected to an interface that will ask you to select PDF file. So you're going to click on this button that says select PDF file and select any PDF file with the table's data. For example, I'm going to click on this one that is table. So once you do so, you're going to wait for it to get loaded. After that, you're going to click on convert to Excel. And then you'll be able to see a button that says download Excel. Simply click on that and wait for your Excel file to get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you're going to head over to your Google Sheets, for example, this one, and then you're going to click on file here at the top left. You'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on import, and then from these options, you're going to click on upload. And once you do so, you'll be able to see it says browse or drag a file to upload to my drive and select. So you're going to click on this browse button and simply redirect to that table that you just converted to Excel. For example, it was this one. Wait for it to get uploaded. Click on import data. Make sure that your spreadsheet doesn't contain any data existing because all of the data will be deleted. So you're going to click on import data. And then you're going to click on open now. And that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.